Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Cancer people, in this reading I am going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. Okay. So far we have Five of Swords, Seven of Pentacles and Nine of Cups. So some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, air sign. With this Five of Swords, some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. With this Seven of Pentacles, and some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. Water sign with this Nine of Cups. Oh wow, Lovers. Some of you could be dealing with Gemini. Ace of Swords, again air sign, and Judgment. Okay, Justice. Some of you could be dealing with Libra. Five of Cups, again water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Ace of Swords, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Cancer viewers, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. This is going to be the mutual energy, and this is going to be the future potential of this relationship. Now let's see your partner's energies towards you. So Cancer viewers, your person feels that something had happened with you in past, okay, and you have been through a lot in life, okay, and you were strong enough to cut your negative emotions or to cut the toxic emotions and toxic people out of your life. These are your negative emotions, these are the toxic people, okay. You have cut them out from your life and you are being the warrior in your life, okay. So they see you as a warrior, okay, Cancer. Plus they also feel that once you are out from this Five of Swords energy, you have been working hard towards your finances, your material things, your goals, okay. With this Seven of Pentacles, they feel that you are somebody who has earned a lot of money, lot of respect, lot of material things in life. Now you just, or maybe you have started something new in terms of career, maybe you have started something new in terms of finances, maybe you have started some new job, okay. So now they feel, Cancer, about you that you are looking towards your finances and you are just seeing them, how they are growing and how they are how they are I mean, you are thinking a lot about your financial expansion, okay. With this Nine of Cups, your person feels about you, Cancer, that you are somebody who is very calm, okay. You are somebody who has lot of emotions within your heart towards something. And plus I feel that they also feel about you, Cancer, that you have lot many options in your life in terms of love and emotion, okay. Maybe there are so many people in your life who wants to offer you some emotions, who wants to commit to you, who wants to give their love to you, but it's you who is not bothered about anybody, okay. You are just being very money minded, Cancer. That's how your person is seeing you, okay. You are just looking your career thing growing, okay. You are just seeing your business growing, okay. And you are happy, you are independent and you are happy. But where is love in this reading? Your person feels that you have so many options, but I feel that it's you who is not choosing to be in relationship right now. That's what you feel. I mean, that's what they feel about you, Cancer. Now let's see what are your energies towards them. So we have the Lovers, Ace of Swords and Judgment. Okay. So the Lovers card is saying to me that you see your person as your soulmate. you see or you feel that they have genuine emotions for you. Okay, you have also emotions for them. Okay, maybe it is just because of that only that you do not want to look for any other option in your life, because there are emotions in your heart for them, Cancer. Okay, so with this Lovers card, they you know that this is the person with whom you would like to spend rest of your life. Okay, and with this Ace of Swords, I feel that you are genuinely or eagerly wants to start something new in this relationship. Maybe you want to offer them something in this relationship. Maybe you want to commit to them. Okay, maybe you want to propose them. So something is there which you feel that you should give to your person. Okay, and there is mutual love, mutual emotions. Okay, with this Judgment card, you feel that your person is, doing some introspection. Okay, maybe you feel that they are silent towards you. Maybe you feel that there is no communication from their side. So you also feel that it is the time when they are, making up their mind. Okay, making up their mind for this relationship. Okay, with this Judgment card, so they are just introspecting within their heart and mind that what exactly they want. Okay, so these are your energies towards them. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. Justice card. Okay, so I feel that either you and your person, somebody is going through some legal issues or legal thing is there. Okay, maybe it's you who is involved in some legal fights or legal issues, or maybe it is them who is, into some legal fights or legal issues. Okay, whoever person is in this judgment or justice energy, that person is definitely going to win at the end of the day. Okay, so balance is coming into your life. Okay, with this Justice card. And the future potential of this relationship is Five of Cups. So yeah, they are not seeing what you are offering them. Okay, they are just being very very regretful about their past. Okay, they are really feeling sorry about their past mistakes, what they have done in, okay, or what they have made in past. So yeah, a lot of silence is going to be there in future for you, Cancer, from your partner side. Okay, so that was reading for Cancer people. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.